Guys, time check 4:40 a.m. So actually I'm just trying a while ago to position my cell phone for me to be able to do the exercise while recording, but unfortunately I disturbed the dogs. That's why we are now going to the street. There's no exercise, just a short of walking, then jogging. Actually, I recorded a video yesterday, and I went to jogging. I went on jogging yesterday afternoon. I think that's 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. I went to Camp John Hay, but while what do you call that? While I'm deleting some videos, I accidentally deleted it. That's why I was not able to upload the video. So all I can upload now is this video and the video that I'll be recording later on. Actually, the barangay hall here seems like private property. Yeah, seems like private property. And there's no sign.